Hello, my name is Patrick Ansel with Family Farm Stores of Dumas, Texas. We have been custom making this store for 13 years by listening to our customers and bringing in what it is that they wanted. In this store, we carry work clothing, power tools, paint, nuts and bolts, rope and cable, sprayer parts, tractor accessories, automotive, pickup toolboxes, animal health, and we sell baby chicks year-round, and we're the Panhandle's largest supplier of fencing materials. We sell a lot of fencing here at Family Farm Stores, and how we got started in that was one day a customer came in and I said, "How can I be a better store for you?" And the customer said, "You know, you have a lot of this and a little bit of that, and I need a lot at one time." So from that day forward, we committed to always keeping in stock 500 rolls of barbed wire and 10,000 of 6-foot T-posts at all times. We also try to keep a lot of high-quality cedar posts in stock. We sell a lot of baby chicks here at Family Farm Stores. We used to just carry them in the springtime, but the demand became so high that we now carry them 365 days a year.